Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video we're talking about morning gap trades. And what I have is a course at LazyGapTrader.com where I teach exactly how to trade the gaps. Gap trading is the single best day trading strategy available in the market today. In my course, I teach two specific gap trading strategies. One is the morning gap trades, and the second are the gap fill trades. In this video, we're talking about morning gap trades. This video is being recorded on Thursday, March 17th. And what I want to do is first show you the email that went out to members that subscribe to my service, where I'll actually give you my gap trades each and every day. So as an example, here's the email that went out to members this morning, and I identified 4 specific stocks that presented great gap trading opportunities. And what this means is a stock that's gapping higher or gapping lower at the open, more than let's say 4 or 5%, presents an opportunity where in the course I teach you exactly how to isolate and identify a specific price level where you're likely to get a price reaction going in the other direction. So on a gap higher, we're looking to short the stock at a specific price level. On a gap lower, we're looking to buy the stock at a specific price level. So we're shorting resistance and we're buying support. So here we have 4 stocks. FedEx was the first one, and I say gap higher. Resistance levels are at 156.31 and 160.18. The stop and profit target is about $1.25. Now, keep that in mind because we're going to go talk about these stocks, and I'm going to show you the charts specifically on what happened. Jabil Circuit was the second one, support at $20.05, for example. C-Trip didn't hit the level, so that was a no trade today, so we'll scratch it off. And Michael's also hit for a profitable trade. MIK is the ticker, and that was a gap higher, so we were shorting the stock at $26.84. So let's go over and look at the first one, FedEx, and see what happened. So here's the 10-minute chart, but what I want to do is I want to even drill down further, and I'm going to show you a 1-minute chart. Now remember the first price level, $156.31. The first minute of the day, the stock came up to a high of $156.31. And just a few minutes later, the stock was already at a low of $154.08, representing $2.23 gain in just about 4 minutes. Okay, that's FedEx. That was the first FedEx trade of the day. Let me fast forward and show you the second FedEx trade of the day. Now, it's at the very top of the chart, and if you remember, the second price level was $160.18. Now, look what happened. The high of this candle, this minute here, was $160.19, and just a few minutes later, the stock was at a low of $158.55, representing another $1.64 gain in just minutes. 2 trades in FedEx, same day, 2 price levels hit to the penny or within a penny. That's unbelievable. I show you exactly how to do this in my course. You can do this each and every day for yourself. I teach you how to get these price levels, and I teach you how to trade them, and I teach you exactly how to profit for yourself just like this each and every day. Let's go ahead and take a look at the second one, which is Jabil Circuit. JBL is the ticker. Now on Jabil, I gave a price level of $20.05 where we were looking for support, meaning we're willing to buy the stock at $20.05. On the 6th minute of the day, the stock came down, made a low of $19.93, which is within our stop loss limit that I provided in the morning. And just 1 minute later, the stock was at a high of $20.25 for a 20-cent gain, which is precisely the amount of gain minimum that I told members they should be looking for. And then the stock rolled over and came back down, but it's still a gain within a minute. That's fantastic. It's not a huge gain, but it's still a gain nonetheless in 1 minute of trading. 6th minute of the day, by the 7th minute, you had a 20-cent gain based on a price level I provided before the market opened for the day. Okay, that's fantastic. So the third one that we're going to look at is Michael's. MIK is the ticker. Now with Michael's, we're looking at a simple 10-minute chart, and you can see here the stock came up and it made a high of 27. Well, this candle is the high a high of $27.05, again within our stop loss limit. Our shorting opportunity was at $26.84, represented by this line going across the screen. And you can see here that just a few minutes later, the stock made a low of $26.43, representing a gain of 41 cents more than I suggested to members they were looking for. So as you can see, that out of 4 possible trades today, we actually had 4 winners, and this is what I teach in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. This is one of 2 strategies that I teach how to do this for yourself each and every day. This is just the tip of the iceberg, folks. The second strategy, the gap fill strategy, is where you can print money for yourself each and every day by finding stocks that are coming back to fill gaps left open by these large gap highs and large gap lowers that the stock makes on the morning gap trades. So you get another bite at the apple on my gap fill strategy. I'm telling you folks, this is a license to print money. Come over, check it out. LazyGapTrader.com. I'm David Frost. Thanks for tuning in. Come visit LazyGapTrader.com.